Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a vignette in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Open Premiere Pro and add your clip to the timeline. Right-click in the project panel. Hover over New Item and select Adjustment Layer. Ensure the frame rate matches your timeline, then click OK. Drag the adjustment layer to the timeline, aligning it with your clip's length. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for the Circle effect. Drag the circle effect onto the adjustment layer. Now head over to the Effect Controls panel, scroll down to the circle effect, and change the blending mode from None to Stencil Alpha. This will make the circle cut out from your footage. Adjust the radius of the circle until you see a bit of black in each corner of your frame. After that, expand the feather option and increase the feathering until the vignette smoothly blends with the edges. Feel free to experiment with what looks best for your video. And that's it. Your vignette is now applied. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.